This is the DOOGEE S70. It's the world's first rugged gaming phone. DOOGEE sent us out an early version of the phone to check out, so let's do a quick hands-on. First, let's take a look at what's in the box. Like I said, it's an early unfinished version of the phone, so everything is subject to change in the final release. Like all rugged phones, it's heavier than normal and it feels super durable. It's also pretty big, with a 5.99-inch display having a lot of padding from the aluminum alloy frame, the corner protections, and the suspended border. Now for box number 2, this is the DOOGEE game controller called the G1. It slides open like this so you can drop your phone into it. It comes with a little micro USB charging cable as well. Alright, so let's check out the phone here and see what we've got. The DOOGEE S70 has an IP68 durability rating, making it water resistant, dust resistant, and it has a body that can take some serious impact. The screen is a 5.99-inch screen with a 1080p display and an 18:9 aspect ratio. There's 6GB of RAM, 64GB of storage, a 5500 mAh battery, and a Helio P23 octa-core CPU. DOOGEE puts really stock software on their phones. There's no annoying overlays or themes here. You'll have a toolbox that includes a bunch of useful apps like a compass, sound meter, picture hanging, a height measurement tool, and a bunch of other stuff. Since this is a pre-release version of the phone, the software is not complete, so I won't bother testing out too much stuff because a lot of things just aren't going to be working yet. I really like this type of game controller. It will connect to the phone via Bluetooth, and then use a mapping app from DOOGEE to configure everything. You'll be able to get 40 hours of gameplay from this controller before you have to recharge it. Right now the connection doesn't work, so I can't test it out for you, but I'm looking forward to a software update that gets this thing working. But what really makes this a gaming phone are the specs, like 6GB of RAM and the massive 5500 mAh battery. You'll be able to get 15 hours of gameplay with games like Candy Crush, Hearthstone, Crash Royale, and Minecraft. With Fortnite and PUBG, you can play for 11 hours. And even for really battery-intensive games like Pokemon Go, you'll still be able to play for a solid 9 hours. You can use the dedicated gaming button to instantly switch into gaming mode, so you can focus on your game and block out all the notifications. The phone runs extremely cool even when gaming. A rear metal sheet cooling module will decrease the CPU temperature by 7 degrees Celsius, and this cooling system kicks in as soon as you toggle the gaming mode with the dedicated button. So for cameras, it's got a 12 megapixel plus 5 megapixel setup with Sony IMX363 sensors. I'll just grab a few pictures here to show you. I'll use the SLR effect. The camera app has all the usual camera settings. The rear and the front camera can film in a max of 1080p, the back camera can shoot in 12 megapixel photos, and the front camera can shoot in 16 megapixel photos. So the crazy thing about this phone is that they're going to release it at only $279. Right now it has reached its backing goal on Indiegogo, so it's set for mass production in October. For a gaming phone and a rugged phone priced under $300, we are very interested to see how this sells. Thanks to DOOGEE for sponsoring this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.